Hi guys, welcome to CodeMine. Carry here. So in this video we will try to understand what is type qualifiers. So what is type qualifiers? So type qualifiers is basically when we can control the variables, how we can access it or how we can modify it. And in C we have two qualifiers. One is constant, right? So constant is when we declare a value with the constant, then it means this value cannot be changed. A variable which is mentioned by constant that cannot be changed, right? So but what happen if we use volatile? So what with the volatile? So volatile is like when we want to change that value of a constant, right? But not directly, not explicitly. We can choose a way by which we can execute the change of that variable, and in the further example we will understand how we can do that, right? How we can achieve that. So let me minimize this thing. So you guys, here is a website. So here I am. So here we have a program. So in this program what we are doing, we are simple, we have a local variable in main, right? Int constant, int local a is equal to 10, then we have a int star ptr is equal to int. Then what we are doing here in this line, we are assigning the address of our local variable into a ptr pointer. So what we are doing now we are printing the value of a local, and then again star ptr, what it means, now what is the address is here. So we are assigning a value indirectly to a local variable, right? So indirectly we are changing the value of local, right? Star ptr basically represent local. Without star, ptr is a address of local, right? So what we are doing here, slash we print the value of this thing local after changing this value. So what will happen, we simple run this program and we see the output and the value has been modified. Why? Because we do not use here any specific version or a specific assembly code, right? So simply it will do normally without any optimization, right? So the thing is here, without optimization, if I execute this code, then it will behave normally. But what will happen if I want to execute the code with optimization, right? Optimization is here when I am using this standard -o3, right? So same method when I am trying to execute, but with optimization, this thing I am not able to achieve. I am not able to change this value after changing this thing, after changing this value, right? When I am trying to execute with this -o3 volatile.c, right? Same thing I am executing, but this time I use this optimization, right? So at that time this will not change the value, right? So what we will do to change the value during optimization, we will use now volatile here. So that is the catch here. So when we want to change the value without explicitly, right, indirectly we are changing here value, and we want to change that value on optimization also, right? So you guys can see here, and we are able to change the value. So that is the catch here. It is important to understand what is volatile. So volatile is basically when we want to change the value of a variable, the way should not explicitly, like indirectly we are changing the value in term of optimization also, right? For example, you forgot to mention volatile here, right? And someone execute that program in optimization, then what will happen, the output will be wrong, the value will be not modified in that case, right? So that is the reason we need to use volatile when we want to change the value of a constant indirectly, right? So that is the type qualifier. So if you guys have any query, any question, you guys can comment into the comment box, and also do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the red subscribe button below this video, and also tell us about this playlist, right? And thanks for watching. Have a very good day.